What's up guys, we're back with another video. Real quick before we jump into this video, for the people that are subscribed to my channel or have watched one of my other videos, you might have noticed that I've changed my name on the channel from ASMR to ESMR. The reason for that being, if you search ASMR on YouTube, it comes up with a load of ASMR videos, and I've only just become aware of this. And obviously if you're looking for my channel, you're never going to find it because there's a lot of ASMR videos. So anyway, let's jump in. So this video, as you can probably tell by the title, we're tinting the rear lights, smoking the rear lights of my Corsa. I'm going to say this now, they're already done, they're tinted, and the reason they're already done is because you can probably tell by my voice. Yesterday I was really colded up, and as much as I wanted to like basically talk you through what was happening, when it's happening and whatever, and how it's happening, at the same time I just didn't have a voice or the capability of being able to breathe out of my nose. So yeah, so this video is basically me showing you. I do have clips like before and after, but yeah, you're not going to see it happening in the progress sort of thing, if you get me. But let's start. So I'm going to show a quick clip now of what the lights used to look like. So if you want to do this to your own car, you're going to want to know how to remove the rear lights. They're really easy to do, just 2 screws behind them, unscrew them and the lights should pull out. I'll show you how to do that now. Try not to show what the lights look like. So obviously we've got the boot of the car, this side's dead easy, that pulls out, and that screw there, and that screw there. This side's a bit annoying because you've got this in the way, but like this bit does just pull out. It's a bit awkward to do, but it does pull out like that. And then same again, screw there, screw there. So yeah, dead easy. So once you've got them out, the back of your car should look like this. Now unfortunately, I didn't spray the lights. One of the lads in the body shop sprayed the lights for me. And as much as I tried to, I didn't actually get to record any footage of him spraying them. I'm sorry for that. But what he did is he sprayed 2 coats of lacquer on them, and that basically gave them like the black tint. It is permanent, obviously. And obviously another option would be to get them wrapped, because then it's not permanent, you can always just take it off. But let's show you what the lights look like once they was done. Finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. Now the lights are back on, they're done, and they're tinted. Let's have a look. So yeah, that's the lights tinted. I'm very happy with them. I can't stop looking at the back of the car. It completely changes how the car looks. So yeah, I'm going to put a quick picture up in a second showing that you can only go so dark, because with the Corsas the reflectors are built into the backlights, and if you go too dark you'll fail your MOT and get pulled by the police because you don't have any reflectors. So yeah, let me just show you that now. So as you just saw from that quick picture, my reflectors are still visible, my lights are still visible. So as long as you've got that, don't go too dark. You shouldn't have any problems with an MOT or with the police. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry again for not getting any footage of the lights actually being sprayed. But if you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and peace.